Welcome back to another video, guys. This is Gorilla Tag this time, and today we are going to be reviewing the Volcano. Yeah, the update. Without further ado, we're gonna go. Thanks to my buddy here that has VIM, we managed to get in because I don't have VIM. So we're just basically gonna be reviewing this. We gotta keep it going. Oh, it's about to erupt. We gotta go. So this was basically like like a whole ton of updates ago, to where they had the volcano. There used to be this giant volcano over there, but they had this, and they would flood the map, and if you fell in, you'd become like a lava monkey. Ooh, you know what we should do? We should play a game. Here, let's play Floor's Lava. So basically the rules for Floor's Lava is if you touch the ground, the tagger gets the tag, and if a certain like surface is flooded also, they're able to tag. So if I'm up in a high place, you can't get me, but if it's covered in lava, you'll be able to get up.
Whoa, the map is covered already.
So you're able to only touch the spots where it's covered in lava. Alright, he's somehow climbing. Oh, I just fell! You better run. You better get up in the surface. I'm gonna get you.
I have to say.
Yo!
I'm on. There's no way the lava's gonna get me. Oh wait, it does. Wait, you're allowed to fall in the lava?
If you fall in, you get tagged.
Did you fall in?
Ooh, the lava's getting close. Let me hop.
I thought you fell in. How did you not get tagged?
Oh, I fell in and I did get tagged, but he also fell in and he got tagged.
Yeah, there's no way I'm getting tagged.
Alright, now he's able to go anywhere since almost the whole map is flooded. So you're able to go anywhere now.
Oh, so I can go on trees now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ah, man. No. Huh? Alright, where are you?
I almost
He fell in! No, I fell in! Screw it.
Oh, you're tagged. No!
Please go down quicker.
Fall in. What is it like when you fall in?
It's literally the water texture, but it's like just lava. It's like you're swimming in the water in beach, but it's like not water. Oh god. Yeah, the lava's decreasing. Let's go. Alright, I won. Alright, well, I got tagged the most. Oreo run. Oh, man. Hopping in.
again. Again.
Alright. Alright, that will be almost the end of this video because I had some disturbance, but I'm gonna cut that out of the video. And, I mean, yeah, this VIM update is kind of cool, even though I don't really have VIM, so I can't really go whenever I want. But, yeah, that's basically all. It's cool. It's good that they brought back this update. I was hoping they bring it back, but I'm kind of upset they don't have the big one in the sky over there. But and
It's coming.
I'll see you. Oh shoot, it's flooding. I'll see you all in the next video or short, and peace out, y'all.